involved in a serious motor vehicle accident can be a very distressful situation. It's particularly distressful if you haven't been through the process before and you're not certain of your rights and who to speak with. I'll go through a step-by-step process that we have in place that has been very effective in maximizing our clients' recoveries. That process involves a thorough and initial evaluation of the case in a very comfortable setting where we will talk in great detail about the nature and extent of your injuries and your damages and all of your losses. We'll also talk in detail about the nature of the collision and all of the factors associated with the collision. Once we gather the preliminary information and you've retained us, we're going to immediately send out letters of representation and in that way protect your rights, notifying all the interested parties, particularly the adverse insurance companies that you're representing, and that all conversations, all communications have to go through our office. We'll do a thorough investigation. We'll meet with the investigating officers, the witnesses, and if necessary, we'll also meet with your physicians just to make sure that we have a crystal clear picture of your injuries and damages. We also want to make certain that we know what the physicians are saying about your future care needs, because that is another important component of your claim. In our office, we'll meet weekly. We discuss your case in detail. We have 4 very experienced attorneys, and we will thoroughly review every aspect of your case so we can get you the best recovery possible. Once those meetings have concluded and you have completed your treatment, we'll sit down with you again and very thoroughly go over a settlement demand letter that we will submit to the insurance company. This letter is going to cover in great detail the liability factors of your case, your medical expenses, and most importantly, all of your non-economic losses, including the impact this collision has had on your quality of life. We put together a very detailed letter and we provide that to the insurance company on a time limit basis so as to put pressure on them to promptly respond. And the insurance companies know our firm, and they know that if they're not prompt in their response and if they don't provide a reasonable offer that's consistent with what a jury would provide, that we're going to file suit. They also know we're experienced litigators and we're skilled in the courtroom. And with those factors in mind, your case value is going to increase dramatically from what you may be able to obtain on your own or what you may be able to obtain with representation from an attorney who does not specialize in personal injury law like VanMeveren Law Group.